Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid and I'm so excited to present you my very first ebook. This is awesome. And this is awesome because it was written in collaboration with you, the Paperless movement community. I learned so much from you guys and girls out there too. All the questions you ask on Facebook and on YouTube and so on just made me research much more about the whole topic note-taking apps. I also ask you, what do you want to have? A book about going paperless in general, or do you want to have more specific about note-taking and so on? So your answer was you want to have a book about note-taking strategies and about note-taking apps. And this is what I will deliver and even more. So please let me explain. Okay, before I start to tell you something about the content in this ebook, I want to say the most important feature, I think, is in this ebook. Usually you go to this website, you buy an ebook and that's it. You buy an ebook about how to use Evernote. And then something is written in there about Evernote from the version 2015. This won't be the case with this ebook. If you buy this ebook, then you will get lifetime updates, which means every time I update this ebook, you will get the updated version for free. But what do I mean with updated version? Well, obviously, these note-taking apps are updated on such a regular basis that this ebook would become very old in a very short time and outdated. After major releases and feature changes, or even new apps or new note-taking methods released and shown, this ebook will be updated. And that's not all. This ebook also contains user stories. Stories from you out there, sharing your experience with the world. And I thank you very much for all of them who contributed to this ebook now. But in future, there will be much more user stories coming along. So these are things that will all get into this ebook over time. So be assured, when I tell you now the content of this ebook, this content will be updated over the time and it will be extended over the time for free for the Paperless movement community. So let's just dive into what will be in this ebook. So in this ebook, when you start reading it, it is built up like a story. Okay, so it starts with the history of handwriting. All the information you need. Why is handwriting important? Why do we still handwrite? Why don't we only type with the keyboard? There are reasons why we are using a stylus, why styluses are created. And all this is described and explained in chapter number 1. And this book is built up of 9 chapters. So you can imagine how much information there will be. So if you are interested in this book and you want to get into the book and want to get an idea what this book is all about or how is it to read, you can download a free preview version where the chapter 1 is included and a part of the chapter 2. So what is chapter 2? Chapter 2 will include 6 note-taking methods. So everything will be described in there, how to efficiently take notes. It's not only about the app, it's not about the stylus, it's not about the tablet you are using, it's about you and how you take notes. And there are several strategies how to take efficiently notes. And these methods are described in chapter number 2. If you buy the full pack of the ebook, there will be 14 templates included. So 7 templates in portrait and 7 templates in landscape, which are reflecting these note-taking methods. So you can use it and start directly applying these methods in your iPad. Just load it up and get started. And in chapter 3, you will learn why the iPad Pro or the normal iPad 2018 in combination with the Apple Pencil is, in my opinion, the best equipment you can use to take notes like a pro in a paperless way. So I hope this chapter will help you to make the right decision what equipment to use. And talking about equipment, in chapter 4 I will talk about screen protectors. And if you know my videos from YouTube, I published videos about screen protectors several times. And I tested loads of different screen protectors, and I'm not using a screen protector to protect my screen actually, because therefore I got my case. No, I'm using it to make it feel like paper. And how is this achieved? To increase the resistance on the screen. So you're using your Apple Pencil on the normal tablet and it feels like plastic on glass obviously, but if you're using one of these screen protectors, you will be able to have a resistance and can write much better and also draw much better. And then we dive deeper into note-taking. And one big part of note-taking for many out there I know already is digital journaling. You can download digital journals all over the place, and this chapter will explain you why digital journaling is a very important thing to do and several types of digital journaling. There's not only one, diary type of digital journaling, there are several other things such as dream journaling and so on, and this will be described in there. Here again, if you buy the full pack of the ebook, there will be the digital journal included that is available on my shop already. So you will be able to download this digital journal and just apply what is described in this chapter. So, okay, that's great, isn't it? So I think until then you already learned loads of things you can apply to your note-taking habits you already have there and improve things, and I hope this will help you. But we won't stop there. It's just chapter 5 and there are 9 chapters. So we are in chapter 6, and there I will tell you how to use your stylus only on the iPad. There are many out there I know of you already using only a stylus. They don't ever touch the keyboard because there are things like the stylus keyboards and how to use them, what they are, where to find them. This will be described in chapter number 6. Then we come to the main part. At chapter number 7, I will show you the big 5. The big 5 are the note-taking apps that you need to know if you want to become a note-taking pro. Obviously there are unbelievable many different note-taking apps out there, and there are several opinions going on which one is the best. Obviously there's not the all-in-one only available for everybody, because everybody got his own preferences. But picking these 5 note-taking apps, which is Notability, NoteShelf 2, GoodNotes 4, Nibu and Notes Plus, I think I cover most of the needs you have out there. I will go into the deep details. I contacted all the companies to get more information about the background of the company, what their aim is, what their long-term goal is and so on. So there will be information included as well. But I go into detail of these apps. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What areas of work are the best to use for? What are the key features of these apps, and make the decision for you as easy as possible. You know, you can use the free comparison tool on my website, and this helps you already how to find the right app just by picking out the features. However, in there I will describe in much more detail what these apps offer and how to apply them, or even how to combine the different apps and what apps you should choose if you combine it with other apps such as Evernote and so on. So over the time, as I said, this is a living ebook. This will be updated on a regular basis. So if things change and I feel the community has another app or a different opinion on these things, I will look through my writing and updated it. Maybe I had a mistake, people reaching out to me, telling me, no, that's wrong, or you could do it this way, and so on. This ebook will get updated, and as soon a new update is out there, you will get an email and you will be able to download the updated version. So I think that's really awesome. And then we're getting slowly to the end of the ebook. It's chapter number 8, and in chapter number 8 I will tell you pro tips. Pro tips means I explain you shortcuts, how to easily multitask with your note-taking app, how to bring pictures in there much easier than you know it, and so on. All this will be described in chapter number 8. And last but not least, chapter number 9. And I personally think this is a very valuable chapter, because there are the stories of you out there, the user stories. And I'm excited. So different experiences and what apps you used before and so on. You can learn so much from the community already. I thought this needs to be integrated in the ebook to really give you an overview on a different point of view on the things, and not only my own opinion. With these user stories you will be able to see the complete picture, to see what you really need for yourself to become paperless note taker like a pro.